everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy tater tot casserole. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 32-ounce bag of frozen tater tots, 1 pound of ground beef, then a half an onion diced if you want to. I'm not going to use that because my family doesn't like onion. Then we need a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then we need a 1/3 cup of sour cream, a 10-ounce can of cheddar cheese soup, and a 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup, whichever one you want. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and then a package of mixed vegetables. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray, and go ahead and brown your meat and your onion if you want to put that in there. Okay, my meat is done and drained, so I went ahead and added my garlic, my Worcestershire sauce, my salt, and my pepper to that. I'm just going to mix that around and then put it in a large bowl. Okay, also to that large bowl, you want to add both of your soups, 1 cup of the shredded cheese, your sour cream, and your vegetables. And we're just going to mix that all together. Alright, that is nice and combined, so we are just going to pour that into our prepared pan. Alright, that is nice and evenly spread out, so I'm just going to top that with my tater tots in a nice row. Alright, my tater tots are all nice and evenly layered on top, and I had a few tater tots left over. I might try to squeeze them into this little space here. But next we are going to bake that for 50 minutes. That just cooked for 45 minutes, and I poured it out because all my tater tots are brown. So next we're just going to add the rest of our cheese and put it in there for 5 more minutes. Alright, that just came out of the oven and it smells delicious. So I'm going to let it cool off and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
Bye.